What up, what up, what up, what up? We back with another. This one is a 2008. See that boy. 2008. See that 0308? 2008 Chevrolet Avalanche. Also known as a Avalanche. Avalanche. 2008 Chevy Avalanche LTZ Avalanche 2-wheel drive flex fuel. So you got the Avalanche, got the rear backup camera, got the tailgate. I think these things fold back or whatever, they go back. But you see the back thing and the rear, the plastic thing right there, that once you let the seats down, that folds down, and then you got access all the way through. So this bed becomes about another 3 feet longer. Close that right there. You got your rear backup camera, tow hitch, parking sensors right there. It is a flex fuel. Got the 22-inch Cadillac wheels on there. Made me think of that Ludacris song. All leather, all level, everything level. Now, one thing, hole in the roof. I don't know if y'all seen the previous video about the aftermarket stuff, but this was aftermarket drop down TV. It got real brittle and it fell. So the drop downs drop down. All right, so you got that right here. Remember I was telling you how you got the pass through right here. So it's currently locked, unlocked. So you do both sides, and this will fold forward. The back of this is that plastic piece I just showed you right here. There we go. There's no running boards on this junk. You got the, I don't know if y'all can see that, but it got the, go around. I just turned it on, but it got the, I really like that little LED in the mirror for the turn signals. Power seats on the passenger side. That works. Forward, back, up, down, lumbar. It does have navigation, but we do not have the disc, so that part ain't working. Got your cup holders, got your little gadget thing. This one here, all right. This is the best. This is the great part. Depending on who you are, this is the best part. All right. So when I got it, it had some misfire codes, and I thought it was just some spark plugs. It wasn't. It had messed up lifters, right? And it was. And while we replaced the lifters, we put the Diablo Sport. All right, so this is basically a programmer because these vehicles have, let me chill for a second. These vehicles have a DOD. So DOD is displacement on demand. So basically when you driving and you at highway cruising speeds, it goes from a V8 to down to I think like a 6-cylinder. Not quite sure. So while we did that, we did the DOD delete because they're known to go bad on these GM vehicles. So it has the Diablo Sport Predator Edition. So you could do custom tunes with this thing. It simply just plugs into your OBD. Plug this into your OBD right here. You can do all your custom tunes with that. Right there. So you got that. And that really unlocks it a lot. That unlocks a lot of power. A lot of power. It'll wake the little 5.3 on up. Why? All right, let's get back to it. Cadillac wheels, missing hubcaps. Missing 2 hubcaps. The hood is up because the hood is up and it make it easier when I got one hand. I'm about to start it up for y'all so you can see. Look in the engine bay, brand new plugs. If you see that plate right there, that metal plate right there with that bow with the blue, that's the delete right there. That's where the displacement on demand was deleted. Fresh oil change, new plugs, new coil packs. Put a couple dollars into this thing, man. Probably put more than I wanted to. And it's got all of the normal, all these bugs out here today. All the normal GM issues. Only thing that let me see. 2 things I didn't fix. GM issue is the key. Everybody knows about the key lock cylinder. That's $75 for the ignition switch. Here we go. Go ahead and start that thing up. See, you got. He doing whatever he do, selling dope on the weekends. I don't know, no dope on Sundays. All right, so this is for your pedals. You look to my left, pedal up, pedal down. This is your park assist, traction control, the windshield washer spray. This controls your climate control. It goes to facing feet. This is for AC, passenger, in case you want to do dual, or you want it back singular, rear defog, radio works, navigation doesn't. This one, service tire monitor system. So them pretty 22s that's on there, they didn't come with the tire pressure sensors. That's all that is. This vehicle has 198,726,000 miles. What else? What else? Look at that. Look at all the information you get through there. Got your fuel gauge. I know it need gas. Oil pressure. Over here is your battery volts. Yeah, I'm trying to get the camera down in there. There we go. And engine temperature. To my left, you have fog lights, dome lights, on and off. This handles the brightness of your dash. Automatic lights, heated seats. It's for your back. That's for your butt. That seat right there. Memory exit. This is for your mirrors. You get the folding mirrors. Yeah. Window lock, all that great happy horse stuff. Let me see. Throw them hazards on because I like to see that stuff in the mirror. See those turn signals in the mirror right there? Ooh. I don't know why that excites me. But it does. All right, let's get to the engine. And there you have it, 2008 Chevy Avalanche, 199,000 miles approximately, two-wheel drive, 22-inch Cadillac wheels, full leather, 98% of the stuff works, DOD delete, which is freaking awesome, great power, you can tow with this thing, you can throw your trash out with this thing, got the sunroof, it works. Hold on, I didn't do the sunroof, got to do the sunroof. How we know it works, Chris, if you ain't deal with it? Sunroof. Why y'all ain't say nothing? I ain't even say nothing about the sunroof. You know I love to show the sunroofs. Sunroof. I love showing the sunroof. I feel like that's elegance. It ain't nothing nowadays. When I was growing up, you had a sunroof, you had something. Especially a power joint. I grew up with the little handle thing. Oh, peace, family. We on the test drive now. 2008 Chevy Avalanche with the backup camera, which I'm using because I don't want to hit now. So we got 198,700 miles in this thing. It's got the DOD delete. I told y'all that already. So it's got a little extra oomph. You know what I'm saying? A little extra oomph. Y'all see that? Y'all hear that? That thing got a little extra oomph on it now. DOD delete, displacement on demand delete. I mean, which is a great idea in theory, but it also fails a lot in these cars. So, and we got the service park assist because one of the sensors are bad in the rear bumper, and we had the tire pressure sensor light on because the Cadillac wheels on here. And I'm assuming whoever put them on didn't transfer the tire pressure monitors to each wheel. I checked the two on the driver's side, front and rear, and they're not even on there. So I didn't even bother to do the passenger side. But here we go. We're gonna do a little quick pull real quick. Every time I try to really, you know what I'm saying, put my foot in it, man, there's always somebody want to follow the rules of the road. And if you want to know more about the Diablo tuner that's on here, it comes with the box, it comes with the instructions. I personally don't really know. I want everything at factory settings for the next owner, so you know I don't want any mishaps. So, but if you want to unlock that beast, if you want to unlock that power, all the instructions in the box. It comes with the kit. It comes with the delete. So you're going to have everything you need right there, man. McMath Autos, 404-719-8355. Like, comment, and subscribe. Like right down there on the bottom. Right down on the bottom. Put your comment down there on the bottom. Peace.